Everyone wants to make more money in 2025, but most people waste their time on side hustles that have been around since 2020. Here are 5 side hustles that are actually blowing up right now. And you don't even need any experience to start. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1, we have selling digital products on Etsy. This is how I personally made my first lakh rupees online back in 2020, and it's still going strong today. You can design and sell resume templates, Notion planners, social media kits, website templates, and much more. There are so many options when it comes to digital products because they are all based on skill sets that you can learn very quickly. The best part here is that you can use tools like Canva and ChatGPT to speed up your creation process. And there are 2 ways to get started. Firstly, you can simply upload your digital products directly on Etsy and set your price. Or secondly, you can use platforms like Gumroad, where you have more control over the branding and checkout experience. With this method, you'll have to build some traffic, but I'll be able to charge more per sale because you're not paying Etsy's commission fees. To take this hustle to the next level, I recommend taking a course to learn design. If you're already good at design, you can charge upwards of 5,000 rupees per template. And the possibilities are endless because you can also bundle these products together into bigger packages. The best thing about this whole setup is that you don't need any experience and you don't need any inventory. Next up, we have TikTok faceless theme pages. Now, a lot of people have built full-time incomes from running these pages, and the best part here is that you don't need to show your face or talk in any videos. You can post content on almost any niche, but some popular options include motivation, fitness, money, etc. A quick Google search shows us that many of these pages are getting thousands of views and followers every single day. So why does this work? Because it's super easy to replicate content from other creators and post it on your page with a different caption. Now let me show you what the production process looks like. First, open CapCut, pick a trending audio or video clip, search for royalty-free stock footage on Pixels, Vidivo, or Storyblocks. Download the video, add it to your timeline, make basic edits, export the video, upload to TikTok, and add a relevant caption. Follow these steps consistently and you'll start seeing results in no time. Many people have successfully monetized their pages by getting brand deals and affiliate links. The key here is to focus on a niche and stay consistent. Moving on, we have ChatGPT-based freelancing. Now, if you know how to use ChatGPT well, you can easily find clients on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. One of the most common services people are buying is blog writing, and with ChatGPT, you can generate full articles within minutes. Just make sure you add your own creativity and editing to make the content unique. Secondly, product descriptions are another great option because businesses need detailed descriptions for their websites and marketplaces like Amazon. Once again, you can generate the copy in ChatGPT and add your own formatting and SEO keywords. Thirdly, captions are always in demand because every business needs to post on social media. And if you know how to use ChatGPT prompts well, you can generate hundreds of captions in just an hour. The best part here is that you don't even need any previous experience, and you don't need to provide any services yourself. Let the edited heavy lifting and you can focus on finding clients. Next, we have flipping products on Facebook Marketplace. Now, this is basically the Indian version of Craigslist or Facebook's own version of eBay. You can buy cheap items near you, clean them up, repair them or repackage them, and sell them for a profit. What I really like about this side hustle is that you can get started with just 5,000 rupees or $20. For example, you can buy broken mobile phones, fix them up, and sell them to people who need them. The same goes for laptops, kitchen appliances, and furniture. You can find a supplier locally and build a small inventory to sell on Facebook Marketplace. If you're a student, this is a great way to make some extra cash. And if you have an interest in fixing things up, this could even turn into a full-time business. Last but not least, we have online course reselling. Now, there are many people out there who are making lots of money by selling other people's courses. They don't even have to create any content themselves because they were getting the rights to resell existing courses. And that's what we call PLR content. In fact, one of our team members has been building multiple streams of passive income by reselling courses on various platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. She mainly focuses on marketing and business courses because they have a high ticket price, which means she can make a lot more profit. So let me show you her results from the last 30 days. But before that, here's a quick disclaimer. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build these income streams. But once you have everything set up, you can start making money even while you sleep. As you can see, our team member was able to sell courses worth more than 7 lakhs in the last 30 days. And her total earnings from this side hustle are close to 6 digits. She uses a combination of organic reach on Instagram and paid ads on WhatsApp to promote these courses. And if you're interested in learning more about this side hustle, you can watch our in-depth video on course reselling. The link is provided below. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the bonus tip. Remember how I said that you can get the rights to resell other people's courses? Well, you can apply the same concept to all of these side hustles. For example, you can combine 2 or 3 of these hustles and use the money from one to scale another. Let's say you start a TikTok page and make some money from brand deals. You can then use that money to pay freelancers to make templates for your Etsy shop. Or if you're selling digital products on Etsy, you can use the profits to run ads for your online course. The opportunities are endless. Now, I want you to think about this. All these hustles work, but only if you work them. So which hustle are you starting in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more side hustle ideas, you can check out our recent video. Click here to keep watching. And remember, don't chase shiny objects. Stay consistent and build your skills. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.